Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Right now we're actually still in Miami. We're getting some gas at the moment so we can head out to that trip that I told you about, going to the hotel. One thing I like about going to different countries or different places is experiencing different things as opposed to Jamaica. This way I learn more, I have better experiences and what I can take back to my country to maybe help to develop it maybe sometime in the future. You never quite know. But anyway, this trip is going to take about 2 hours and something. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to edit some videos on my way there. And I'm so happy that I got a new laptop, because the computer before, the battery would have died. So I'm just super happy that I don't have to stay plugged in. It kind of sucks pumping gas in the US. That's one good thing about Jamaica. In Jamaica, someone pumps the gas for you. You don't have to do it yourself. Oh my gosh, so many stuff for a truck. Alright guys, so we finally got to the hotel room that we'll be chilling in for the next 3 days. This is gonna be a little bachelor pad, so we're gonna get all the girls. I'm joking. And so, yo, funny part, like Kurt rolls through and then he was like, I was like, yo, what's that water? And he's like, yeah, Hilton Honors Gold member. So they give you a bottle of water, right?
Nice.
So they give him bottles of water and some nuts. I don't want to be an honor member. They give me nuts, bro. Anyway, so we are in the room right now. Just dropped down all the stuff that we're going to be needing for this weekend. And yo, it's a pretty cool place, to be quite honest. I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour, nothing too special, of the ends, so you guys see where we're staying. All right, so we are at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, and we came through this door, obviously. And yeah, we did mention that we want to do a bit of cooking here, hopefully, because you don't know, Chef is actually a really good cook. He knows how to do his thing. He's giving me some menu ideas sometimes. If you guys have ever been on any of my lives, you will definitely remember where he was on the live helping me to do, what was it called again? It was a pancake. It was a flambe pancake.
I can't remember.
Man, you just messed the whole video up. Cut. I'm joking. Anyway, so
what was it?
this is where you'll figure it out. This is where we are. Microwave, a nice size fridge. To be quite honest, this seems like a place where you could take your little family and, you know, do a little thing. Oh, it's a nice stove top, dishwasher thingy, blah blah blah. And I ain't gonna lie, it's making good use of space. So you got that dining room table there. There we had a stood on all the stuff there, and nice size TV. And yeah, usually these hotels only just show the damn parking lot. It's not like in Jamaica we're looking off on a beach or nothing. And then of course we got the double bed set up there. Ooh, it's another TV here, which is kind of cool. And oh, let's take a quick look into the bathroom. It's really nice. You got your vanity mirror and everything there. It's really nice. And yeah, I don't think it's nothing special, but it's just definitely neat and clean. Full body mirror. I'm not trying to do a whole review, try to sell this place or nothing. I'm just showing you guys where we'll be staying, because I know you guys are always wanting to be up to date. Nice shower system there, toilet. And yeah, I like here. It's pretty clean, to be quite honest. And yeah, the bed's nice little bed head. Yo, for some reason, it feels almost like a mini townhouse in here. You know what I'm saying, Kurt?
It's a Homewood Suites. So.
It's a Homewood Suite, so yeah. Feels very homely. I respect that about a hotel. I don't feel like I'm caged in. And this is really cool, bro. I like the fact that they have another closet. So it's not like we're I try to mess their place up. I'm sorry, Hilton. Yeah. So it's a double closet. So he got his own little closet and stuff. Not that we brought that many clothes and stuff. But yeah, nice little place. Feel the bed out. Ooh, it's like a damn marshmallow, bro. Well, that's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, as I said, out here, usually hotels that I go to in the US, it's just a parking lot. Nothing too special, but yeah, I like it here. Yo, Kurt, what's gonna be the agenda for? Are you trying to take a shit? I'm sorry, bro.
Nah.
Oh, are you good?
Yeah.
All right. What's gonna be the agenda for this weekend, bruh?
I think this evening we're gonna try and go on evening sunset cruise or something, and then
What? A sunset cruise?
maybe we'll see how it is. And then
Man.
tomorrow we're supposed to go kayaking
Kayaking.
or something like that.
I don't know how we gonna go kayaking with these
I know.
tattoos, but we'll see what's up. All right, so we are here. Yo, let me tell you straight up, I was a really bad co-driver. Usually I'm good with co-driving,
Yes,
but
he was.
yeah, man, he was trying to talk to me. I kept hearing him saying stuff, but like I had my headphones on. I was literally trying to edit, bruh. I was just like, yo, let me get this editing in. But he was talking. I wasn't even listening to what he was saying, to be quite honest. Yeah, he remembered what the pancake is. It was a bananas Foster. That's what we got. And yeah, it was a good vibe. Actually, there's something I want to show you guys. You guys did realize that I always try to go to the gym whether to get a run in. You know, like when you're cooking so much food cooking so much food cooking so much food all the time, and you're just eating, and you're trying different places from food reviews, you're bound to start putting on weight. And I'm not getting younger. So I've been going to the gym, trying to get some run in. And sometimes I do get muscle aches, you know what I'm saying? After about 48 hours, I don't know if any of you work out, after about 48 hours, you feel the muscles starting to ache. Of course, your muscles are tearing and they're redeveloping and all that crap. So I got this product from this really cool company called Recover Fund. And I actually wanted to test it out this weekend. It's something that I always wanted. It's like a massager kind of gun. I've seen these stuff like all the time on Instagram. Yo, it seems pretty cool, to be quite honest. So it's like a massaging gun where you can use it on all your muscle areas and thing, which I find pretty cool. If you guys could take a look there. So I'm gonna unbox this really quick and we'll see how good this really works. All right, so let's get to unboxing these. I believe the market price of something like this is around, it's just about $100.
Okay, so I guess I should have booked the sunset cruise from before because it's sold out the next couple of days till Thursday, and we'll be gone. So I booked a cruise that takes us to a private island called Captiva Island.
Cool.
Which we'll do on I think Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah. And then there's also kayaking, so we'll check into that.
I don't mean to stop you, but you got like your shirt all rolled up, like you're trying to say, look at my tat. I took it here.
I just put a little ointment on it, so.
Oh, cool. I need to do that for mine for real too.
Yeah.
But yo, this is gonna be for you, bro.
All right.
I just tested it out just now, and I think you definitely gonna make better use than I am. I actually asked him for another one because I think I'm gonna take one back home. But definitely, I think you're gonna be rocking with this, bro.
Thank you, bro.
I'm sorry I didn't get to do the whole rapping thing, but you already gave me a gift that you didn't rap.
No worries.
What did you think about it though?
I love it so far. I haven't done it on my back yet, but on my arm, on my leg, it's fire.
This dude kept doing this little muscle up. I see you, bro, with them guns.
Yeah, right.
All right, yo, let me tell you, man. I want you guys check out the next video. I'm gonna do the whole review on that product because I honestly think it's really good. Kurt is gonna be booking something to do later on this evening. I don't know, so I'm not gonna end the vlog here. Usually I have the vlogs all split up, but I'm gonna take you guys somewhere else today. But for now, I'm gonna work on the video that I was editing. Hopefully the internet is fast here. And yeah, so I can upload that and get more content. If you guys like when I do stuff like this, dropping videos, taking you and showing you a part of my life or just different adventures that are in the Jamaica or in the USA. Did I say the Jamaica? That's crazy, bro. Drop a like on the video, hit subscribe, join the family. I would definitely appreciate it. If you guys are rocking with me, you love the videos, just drop a like on it, share it if you feel like sharing it. But anyway, I'm gonna get to editing right now and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh, great. Alright, so I got the video rendering, as you guys probably could have seen just now. Kurt, what did I say about the place? About the kayaking tomorrow?
Kayaking?
Yeah.
It's nice, strenuous. It's like half of the day, and it's a lot of work on your arms.
Yeah, so the kayaking thing, I think I'm gonna skip on that, to be quite honest. Not because of the strenuous part, but mainly because it's gonna be out in the sun. And as you guys can see, I'm trying to clean up my tattoo here, and that's one thing I remember them saying, like excessive sunlight. Yeah, so I can't stop that part, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. But the plan is going to, where do I go? Publix?
Publix and then Chick-fil-A.
Alright, so we're gonna make a quick roll to Publix, and then we're going to Chick-fil-A. People always rave about this damn Chick-fil-A place, so I'm gonna see how good it is. I've had Chick-fil-A before, but that's before the whole rave about the damn sandwiches. Oh, the Chick-fil-A thing was so great. If you guys like Chick-fil-A, just drop in the comments and let me know if you guys like that. But for me, I'll see. I had it once and it was okay. But I was like in 2013 during this World Cup football game. I actually only went to Chick-fil-A just to watch the match. All right, so we're good to go. So we're gonna head to Publix and then Chick-fil-A. All right, so we are on our way out. There's only one sucky part for me is, I don't know, in the US I don't by chance have any data, so damn, can't even check my Instagram. Millennials. All right, let's get this Chick-fil-A. So, funny story. Kurt goes, do you think we should explain Publix? Guys, do you think we should explain Publix, or do Jamaicans know what Publix is? Maybe not. I don't even know. But for the fun of it, let's just do it anyway. So Publix is a supermarket in the US, which is mostly in Florida. Is that correct?
Florida and Georgia.
Florida and Georgia. So if you don't know what Publix is, that maybe is because you've never been to this part of the US before. It's almost like the Wawas. In New Jersey, Wawa is like a Subway. Like back that part of New Jersey, Subway is not that popular, but Wawa is. But yeah, one of those stupid American things. What's the maximum cashback you get in Publix?
I think $40 or $50.
$40, $50? It's not bad. All right, so what's on the agenda for what we're getting today? Do you know?
Juice and snacks.
So we're not doing no cooking, no nothing? You never brought all them fancy Teflon pots, no nothing?
Well, I don't know yet. We have to decide on what we want to cook.
All right, cool. So we're getting juice. All right, they have no true juice?
Nah.
Nah, you probably could get some beers.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can crack open some beers, but I don't know what kind of beers, to be quite honest. Or maybe the Riesling. Yeah. Yo, the selection of freaking wines, brother. It's whoa. I know I might sound like never see or whatever, but in comparison to Jamaica, like we have a lot of wines, but like this whole thing of wine, it's a lot. It's very intimidating, to be quite honest. That's cool though. Oh, I know in some states you can't shop for wines or alcohol in a supermarket, right? I know New Jersey was like that for me.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's cool that they're able to do that here. Anyway, let's get what we're getting.
Keep your eye out for it.
Drop in the comments, guys. I'll get this one. I know Judah likes cupcake Moscato.
We were getting Riesling.
Okay, let's get Riesling, bro. Alright, so we have decided on this bottle just because the bottle is a sexy bottle. We can't do it. Like,
Hey.
I feel you.
You like salt and vinegar or
I'm not
barbecue?
eating any chips. I think I've been very unhealthy since I've been here.
Oh well.
So it's going to definitely be on you. Alright, I think cashews are definitely a better snack for me to have. But if I could find like the honey roasted ones, these are just the regular non-salted. Well, lightly salted. Yeah, I'll just go with this one. This one. Yeah.
Buy one, get one.
Talentis are on sale?
Yep.
Yo, if you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Talenti ice cream, but just ice cream in general. I really don't want to get ice cream because I've had so much already, but I want a healthier version of ice cream now.
Well, that would be Talenti.
Talenti? Oh, bro. I think I'm gonna pass.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for Chobani instead. The ice cream, it's yogurt, with a little bit of something. So I'm gonna take like 2 for 10. No, 2 for 3.
That's 2 for 3. These are 10 for $10, so $1 a piece.
I think I want these with the s'mores. And maybe this one. And this one. Yeah. Alright, so cranberry juice. I like cranberry. Yeah. Yo, it's kind of cool being in the US and filming because in Jamaica, if I had my camera out in the supermarket, it would be a whole riot. What you getting?
V8 Splash.
Put it in there, man.
The Splash has fruits in it.
The splash has fruits in it? They really got you on the marketing. Dude is just like, yo, he ain't gonna drink this one because it got like, you see how thick those are? It's a lot more real than this.
That's straight up veggies, that's veggies and fruits.
Yeah, really. Drop it in the comments, guys, if you believe that. Hey, yo, Kurt, have you ever had these mangoes? Are they anywhere close to Jamaican mangoes or no?
No, these are probably from Mexico.
From Mexico? Avocados from Mexico. Shut up my business, you know. $1. All right, and that was our little experience at Publix. Damn, Chick-fil-A is closed. Ridiculous. All right, so we're about to go for a whole 15-minute drive just because we want to go to another Chick-fil-A. Yo, this place must be really that good. If you guys really love Chick-fil-A, yo, drop in the comments, let me know. Like, what should I get at Chick-fil-A? Did I just say Chick-fil-A?
You did.
I love girls. What should we get at Chick-fil-A? I said chicks again. Anyway, what should we get?
Spicy chicken sandwich.
That's the go-to?
Yeah.
All right. Yo. So Kurt goes, today's what? I'm like, today's Sunday. And he's like, yo, Chick-fil-A is not open on a Sunday. Bro. Yo, that is funny as hell. Where are you going to try to find just any other restaurant?
Anything that's, I mean, anything we pass that we might like or whatever. We'll find something. That's hilarious. So. I bet you someone's gonna put in the comments. You didn't know that?
Oh, they are gonna do it.
Yeah.
Let's hit the road.
They got the blackbird too.
At Outback Steakhouse?
Yes.
Guys, the food gods have spoken because when we were driving past, I saw Outback Steakhouse and I was just like, you know what? I've never had anything from Outback Steakhouse. So, yeah, I think I prefer this over Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah.
Yep.
You know what's kind of cool? It feels like what I see on the damn TV back in Jamaica. The bread is here. Go ahead, bro. Do your thing.
Pumpernickel.
It's a good bread?
Yeah.
So a lot of times people comment on the videos and they tell me how to eat bread. So make sure you're eating the bread the right way. It's a technique.
Oh. I just totally messed
In
it
the
up.
comments, people always say that all the time. Like, oh, you need to do this, do that. Is that the right way to eat bread?
For me it is.
So anyway, guys, she came in and asked me what kind of beer I wanted, right? So I told her I want the big pineapple. Here we go. Looks good.
Yo, this bread, perfect. That butter is just whipped.
It's like a honey butter.
Oh snap!
Bomb, bro.
Yo, sis came back and asked us if we wanted bread. Bruh, what do you think, sis?
Keep it coming.
Keep it coming, bruh.
Need more butter too.
Oh yeah.
It's tender, it's moist, and full of flavor. Oh, it does have a bone.
That fell right off the bone, bro.
It certainly did.
Oh my god.
I need a knife.
So for those who are wondering, this is some form of rib, but it's not as fried and then dipped in the barbecue sauce. So when you bite into it, you get a little crispiness of the frying, but then you get the wetness of the barbecue sauce, which is like a really good food combination. Usually when you're eating food, you want that kind of dimensional stuff, and yeah, it's great. I've never had anything like this before.
No.
Oh my god.
That crispiness is weird, yeah.
The crispiness, right? Bomb.
Okay.
Fell right off the bone,
Right off.
Right off the damn bone. It's ridiculous, bro.
She loves stuff.
Oh, so my food is here. I won't lie, I'm a little bit underwhelmed. To be quite honest, I thought it was gonna be like look a lot bigger, but it's fine because either way I wouldn't be able to finish it. So that's the lobster there, steak, mash, broccoli, and
So I got
ribeye,
loaded baked potato,
and
mac and cheese.
mac and cheese. Have you ever had these before?
Yes.
Yes, great. Thank you. Thank you. What have you had before?
Everything.
Everything?
Yep.
And it's bomb?
Always the bomb.
Yo, everything here has been A1, bro.
Yes, sir.
Nobody go open the door for me?
It's been real. Been fucking real.
Alright guys, so yeah, it's coming to the end of a really great day. Yeah, I wish I could be one of those persons who comes back in and just sleeps like some people. But yeah, I'm gonna actually start editing another video. I completed one, so you guys should see that video tomorrow. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me just say thank you guys for being a part of watching these videos. I hope you guys find this content entertaining, just me going through my everyday life. I think you guys would appreciate that. Yeah, at some point I will get back to doing the whole cooking thing by the river every now and again, but my everyday life, I'm just happy to be able to share that with you guys as well. Anyway, remember to see things: love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.